So Danny, what you cooking tonight?
I'm doing.
You doing or you're cooking?
I'm making. Oh my God, it's spicy that thing.
Oh, I love that. So how do you call that thing? Can we see first?
Okay, this is a typical. This is a Dominican thing. It's called lokrio de pica, which is basically rice with spicy hot mackerel. So this is very typical Dominican. My auntie used to make it all the time, and I had a craving for it, so I decided to make it today. And when you make lokrio with pica, you usually you have to go with it, you need to do plátano maduro frito.
Which is?
Is yellow plantains, but they
fried
yellow.
plantain.
Yes.
Fried plantain.
Fried yellow plantains. They gotta be very, 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 ripe and soft.
Oh, okay.
So you do your pica with plátano maduro, and then you do it con una ensalada de aguacate.
Well, you know what, guys? Anything that has the name pica is something that you should eat. All right, pica for tonight.